And you just put your heels in front of it if you want to, but it's up to you.
Okay.
Shoot ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Works in theory anyway. Slide forward, trigger and holster. Range is clear, 2288. Hey, you need to paint that thing.
I know it.
Okay, shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Okay, slide forward, trigger, and holster. Range is clear to 117, not a base.
Yes.
When it comes to bullets, we buy what's cheap, not what's good.
All right.
Trouble is the shooter, followed by
Going hot, eyes and ears, let's load and make ready.
If I don't die before
Shooter ready. Got your headgear on.
Got it going. Yep.
All right, shooter ready. Stand by.
Jason has it on his. We use his to get the discount when we buy it. And then a one or two or three.
Okay, if you finish, just unload. Slide forward, trigger, and holster. Range is clear, 3087. Shooter.
Who would that be?
Mike Goble!
Woo!
Mike Goble!
And there's one more after me.
All right. We're going hot, eyes and ears.
Actually
Load
got
make
Dave
ready.
after him.
Don't make me and Robert look too bad.
All right.
Remember,
Are
16
you ready?
down. That's what you're thinking.
Ready.
16 down.
Shooter indicates ready. Stand by. All right. Slide down, hammer down, post it. 2010.
2010.
He's trying to make us look bad.
2010.
All right, I got a 0 here. Got a 0, 0. Okay, we got 4 of them. We'll see if he can hold it up. No, 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 no.
No, no, no.
No, 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 no. We got a 1. And here we got a 2.
2. 1 and a 2. 2010. And how many points down? 3.
And a failure to neutralize and a failure to do right.
Uh-huh.
Got 6 rounds, right?
6 rounds.
On the table.
Gun goes right there.
On your knees.
Hands on your knees. All right, does it matter on this? On the on the order?
Yeah, because
Okay.
you got to shoot tactical priority. This one first, that one second,
Okay.
and then that one third.
Okay. So first, second, third.
Yep.
All right.
Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by.
Oh man, that wasn't good.
All right, you're finished. Just unload, slide forward, trigger, And holster. Range is clear. 3556.
3556.
Okay, I've got.
Against the ropes for me to look at.
All right, hot eyes.
All
right,
down
Mike.
40 seconds for his time.
Load and make ready, huh?
Should I put down 40 seconds for his time?
I think it's going to be a lot more like 13.
Yeah.
I'm predicting a good ride. You ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Ah.
Two, 8, 8, 9. Slide down, hammer down, holster. We're clear.